In this video, I'm going to show you how to find liked reels on Instagram. Now, for us to get this done, the first thing that we are going to do is just find something to like. Say, for example, this one right here. Let's go ahead and like that, and then this one as well. So we have two posts. Now, to find them, you have just to click your profile, which is this one down below, and then you are also going to click this. And we're going to go ahead and look for your activity. Go ahead and click that over there, and you should be able to find here likes. Now you can just go ahead and click that over there, and you should be able to see here the posts that you have liked. So you have the two here that is the latest, and then you have here as the last one that you have liked down below. Now you can go ahead and click this one right here. Oops, just go ahead and again click this in order for you to sort them. So if you want to see the oldest, then that is the oldest right there. Now you can also go ahead and click this one in order for you to filter them by date. So you can choose for the past week, month, year, or you can also go ahead and select a date range. And yeah, you have other changes here that you can do, but basically that is how you're going to get this done. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you learned something from this video.